Okay, so we're here with a Supreme Ambiance fireplace. This happens to be the 42, but this holds true for the 36 and the 40 as well. So today we're actually going to remove and replace the fans and show you how nice and easy it is and how you can do it at home. The first thing to do though is we want to make sure we have a nice double bottom ash bucket with a good tight fitting lid, and we want to scoop out all the ashes. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to vacuum out the remainder of the ash and remove the cast iron bottom. Get the cast iron bottom piece here, as you can see, we have a nice heat resistant rug to put it on. And then you're going to have some ashes left in here that we're going to want to vacuum out as well. So just, and you got to make sure these ashes are cold, like I mean cold. We don't want to be vacuuming up anything that is warm, and we do recommend that you use an ash vacuum when you're doing any work on a wood fireplace. In the steel bottom, we just have a little access door, and we just have to remove these 6 screws from the access door. We're using a Robinson or square bit, and you can see we have the access plate just removed. Nice and easy. And then if you take a look down in here, you can see we have now access to both of our blowers. Now the blowers themselves, quite easy. Make sure you've turned the power off to the blower so they don't come on accidentally. And they just simply lift off. Just make sure you get over through the wires. And they just come out through the top here. So now we can clean our blowers. Vacuum them off, or if we have to exchange them, and it's just simply 2 connectors. And now we can take the blower, take it out, blow it out with a compressor, clean it off, and then just simply put it back in. And you can see it just mounts back in on this, and there's a little hole here that corresponds with a little finger that will come up and make sure your blower is seated properly. Now that I've taken this out, compressor, blown it out, you should do this a couple of 3 times a year, depending on how much you're using the fireplace, maybe 4 times a year. And it's all clean now. You can see the action's really nice and clean. It's going to move a lot of air. I found a lot of household dust. Wires back on. Put it down in. And if you get up close, you can see, try to get the light down there, that little finger right there corresponds with the bracket on the blower. Yeah. Just like that. That's how nice and easy it is to put on. Cast iron back in. Heavy. So you may have noticed that we can see a couple of the soapstones. We have a couple of cracks. That's not a problem because we do have cracks between the soapstones. It's when this is starting to fall apart that we do need to replace those.